Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to do a really fun, quick little video showing you how to create an entire look using just my pixie, if I can get it open, using just my pixie collab. So I came out with a full-on multi-use face palette. I'm telling you, this can be used for literally everything because I also came out with a lip gloss with them. I feel like I can get away with saying you can do a full face of makeup using just these products plus foundation and mascara, and I'm going to show you how to do that. Okay, before I get into it guys, the Notification Squad giveaway is especially Lauralee. No shade, I love Lauralee, she's a friend of mine, but what I was trying to say is I'm especially excited because I've got an official PR package from Pixie and I'm going to give it to one of you guys. This is what got sent out to influencers. It's got my kit. Oh, we've got Dulce candies and Whaley's. Someone will win that, which contains all of the products that Pixie released with the Pixie Pretties. All you've got to do is make sure you subscribe, you have the notifications turned on my videos, and you leave a comment within the first 12 hours. Don't forget to thumbs up the video as well. You know what to do. Now, let's get into the look. So I'll start off with foundation. The EX1 foundation is still one of my faves. Ooh, that was grimy. Just like exploded. Adding extra foundation over any blemishes. Okay, foundation on. That only took me 2 minutes at the most. Now I'm gonna move on to eyebrows, and I'm gonna be using these 3 shades. These are multi-use matte shades, but they're great for eyebrows. For me, I like to take this color. It's called Unity. I also like to add some of the black color just in amongst the end. And then feather it all through the tip of the brow too, but keep that really light. I never like to have the inner part of my eyebrow like too intense. In fact, I normally take the foundation brush and buff it out. Okay, back at the palette, I'm gonna take some of the pretty shimmers as eyeshadows and use these tones to contour the eye. I'll probably stick to the 2 brown tones and then I'll leave the black one for eyeliner. This is in the color Fairy Tale, and I like this one because it's closest to my skin color really, and so it looks really nice and natural. So I'll take that one over my lid. This is called Knot, as in tie the knot. I actually named all the colors in my palette after the wedding because at the moment that I was doing this palette, I was also organizing my wedding. Taking Knot through the crease. Once I've like deposited the color into the socket, I then take the fluffy brush kind of over the edges so that it's getting really diffused. I'm taking a teensy wee, oh my god, I almost said stinky. Taking the color Unity on a pencil brush. Ugh. Oh no, I went into the black one. Oh well. And I'm just gonna intensify the outer V. Like so. Really easy to do. I don't want to boast, but it's really easy to do. Blending it out, nothing new on the brush, just softening it all out. All right, everything is looking very nice and blendy, just how I like it. All right, I'm also gonna need a teensy weensy little brush. This is actually a lip brush, but lip brushes are great for the inner corner of the eye. So the brightest colors on me are 1, 2, 3, these ones. So I'm gonna pick, you know what, I'm just gonna go for gold and tap into all of them for my inner corner. Now, same brush I did my eyeliner, same brush I did my eyebrows with, I'm gonna take Tux, named after Sebastian's Tux. Actually, on the day, he ended up wearing a navy suit. He surprised me. He looked so smashing, dashing, I mean. Kind of ruined everything because now my palette is not named correctly. So just patting the eyeliner, in quotation marks, over the outer part of my eye and trying to blend it up. If I want a straight line, I just spritz my brush with a bit of setting spray or mixing liquid. But I always like, well, not always, but I often like my eyeliner to be soft and smoky, so I'm not wetting the brush. That way I can work it around and blend it out as I go. If that needs any more blending out, you can always use the pencil brush. I can't believe I blended out that well with an eyeliner brush, WTF. To stick to my 4-product promise, I'm just gonna take the foundation, layer it up under my eyes just to brighten it, and just tidies up everything. I still think that even if you can't see fallout, there's still like some stuff under there that can make it look a bit dark. So just adding some foundation. Okay, I'll add mascara. This one's Charlotte Tilbury, but so many more affordable mascaras that you could use. Because my hair is so dark, instead of brow gel, that only works if your eyebrow hairs are black like mine. Like the actual hairs are black, but I have sparse eyebrows so they don't look that dark. Now I can move on to my face makeup. I've got the 3 blushes here. This one's called Romance. This one is called Bouquet, and this one is called Promise. Can you see how they're related to my wedding? I love them, they're so romantic. I'm gonna take the peach one mixed with the rosy one. Now, these blushes are not super shimmery, but they are definitely illuminating. And if you want to layer them or put a cheek topper on them, you can add one of the blushes. Let's do that with Passion. See that? Okay, if you also want to be nice and highlighted, the highlight shades are obviously for that, technically. So I'll take those. So much pigment. Can you see that? Now, you may look at me crazy, but I also intended these shades to be able to be used for contouring. So I'll obviously take the lightest one, not. See the difference? The other thing is, of course, you need like a smaller brush, so you have to be a lot more diligent when blending. But this is just an eyeshadow brush. I think it's from EXO, yep. Fluffy blender brush. And it's working well for me. Again, this is with the same products that I use for my eyebrows and my eyeshadows. Same thing to contour the nose. I have really dry, flaky skin on my nose at the moment, so this is not gonna look good up close. But if you could just imagine. Okay, for gloss on my lips, I will take the Cake Lip Icing that I created with Pixie. It's so pretty. It smells so good. Okay, I've actually straightened my hair and blow dried it to get it to look like this. Not that you were even wondering, because it doesn't look that great. And that's it. The entire look pretty much done with just one palette. Even the contour done with eyebrow product. So guys, that's it. A very quick 10-minute makeup look using just one palette plus 3 other items. Anyway guys, I hope you liked this video and this really nice quick look. Don't forget, you can pick up my Pixie collab in stores, in Target stores, in Shoppers stores, and also in David Jones. And it's also online, of course, and online ships internationally, so no one's gonna miss out. All right guys, thanks for tuning in. I'll see you next time. Bye.